Bonny Doon. Plumbing provides full-service plumbing solutions throughout Bonny Doon, and we're available for emergency service as well. Emergency plumbers. Emergency plumbing is in a category all its own, largely because many local plumbing options don't offer emergency services. Sump pumps. If you have or use a sump pump, you understand how important it is that it be in good working order when you need it. Garbage disposals. Garbage disposals are notoriously finicky, at least in comparison with other household appliances and fixtures. Need an affordable plumber in Bonny Doon? You've come to the right place. Anytime Plumbing provides full-service plumbing solutions throughout Bonny Doon, and we're available for emergency service as well. Whether you need a leaky faucet fixed during business hours or a burst pipe replaced on the weekend, we're there to answer the call. We encourage readers to contact us with questions, or if you'd like a cost estimate for services in Bonny Doon, 831-431-6593.